Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. Yeah, it's like a day like yesterday where it really shows that Link has, well, a lot of weight on its shoulders, as it seems, yeah. It just didn't do much. It just didn't even make a new high. Very, very weak. Yeah, very weak. I mean, that all ties in with our analysis that price really should go a little lower and that there might be some underlying problems. I mean, it's been moving in this range for a long time now. Sitting on support, yes, but a very weak reaction yesterday. Didn't even make a new high. Not even close to key resistance at $6.92. And so far, my preference is still for another low. What it might be working on, though, is either a larger wave 4. This is one idea, yeah. A larger wave 4 in a flat structure, basically an A wave, a B wave, and a C wave. But this doesn't really look like a C wave anymore, what's happening here. But if it holds yesterday's swing low at $5.86, makes one more high into resistance, which starts at $6.40, then I would count that as an ABC structure in a larger wave 4. A, B, C, which would still allow price to come down lower again. Yeah, or it might be working already on the fifth wave to the downside. And the fifth wave here, so the fifth wave of the third wave, could be unfolding as an ending diagonal, basically like a small descending wedge pattern, in which price is coming down in a 5-wave move in a wave 5 in a corrective fashion. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If we start to see price fill out this wedge pattern, as shown here, I think we're dealing with this ending diagonal, but both scenarios are fully covered by our scenario here on the chart. That price should still go a little lower. It would really take a sustained break above $6.92 to make me consider a change in the wave count, but even then, it wouldn't necessarily be bullish. Okay, it wouldn't necessarily be bullish. What could form here is maybe even a bit of a head and shoulders pattern. I don't know, it's not very, doesn't look very good. But obviously a lot of selling pressure on the chart here. A lot of selling pressure since it broke below that original breakout point. Remember, we had this inverse head and shoulders here on the chart. Worked out nicely, rallied all the way to the top of the trend channel. Broke down, and we said if it cannot hold this previous breakout point, there's going to be a lot of selling pressure on the chart. You can see that the interest is just not there at the moment. The buyers are just not there. Not even on a day like yesterday. The day like yesterday where we had a lot of coins really take off. But obviously today it's another red day. It just shows it's just not sustainable yet. Okay, but if you then see some coins made actually higher highs and higher lows, whereas you see what Link does, right? So it's squeezed between support and resistance. I think I gave you the most likely options. This is obviously slowing price down on the way down because we are here in a support range as well. We've got our structural support area. We talked about that before, between $4.90 and $5.90. And ideally it would grind its way down further, but it can take a while as it seems. That's my current understanding of the Link chart. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.